So after this, you can see there is there are different measures in each view, right? And then this view is very dynamic. Let me show you how dynamic it is. First thing, I want to put the full name back in here, and then I want to remove the total because the total doesn't make sense for me in here anymore. So the first thing is to type the total here, and then just uncheck the column and then row, and then you can format to copy the format. Oh, sorry, it doesn't work with this one, so I have to click one by one. Okay, so uh, for the GP margin, I think you have to put this one into 2 digit, and then you can see the margin. Later, I show you how to format the thing, but then for now we try to focus on the dynamic view and of this. So these guys are the same thing, but I will show you. Just you can just put the names around here to have the different views. So for example, in this one, I want to region on top, and then if I expand this one, you can see the like for like here. For okay, so this one is not very interesting because everybody has the same. So in terms of FGD, in terms of valuation, is not very interesting because everybody has the same numbers. But then in terms of designing and then dashboarding, then this one is very good because you have all the details. You know that, okay, actually this one is quite interesting because over the years you can see the bill size is a little bit increasing. So meaning that later if you do the waterfall price volume analysis, you can expect that the revenue is driven by either uh, price or volume, or the combination of both. But it cannot be a volume only. Okay. Uh, and then you see the gross profit increase over the year as well. The margin is the same. So basically, they have they increase the volume over the year, but then I think they don't change dramatically in the profitability structure. Okay, so now we can do the same thing with the year on year inside as well. So for example, if you want to put the so this one is it just mean normally this one I don't think it works in accounting because you cannot compare like for like the years. But sometimes if you want to put you want to focus only on the year and all the measure of the same year, this view is useful for you. Okay, so this one is one of the option. The other one would be I can do the same thing. So this one I think I don't need these guys anymore. I just delete because uh, I can just copy from here. Okay, so you can change this one into cohort as well. So for example, if you want the cohort in here, uh, and then you can see the cohort view already. So everything is updated dynamically with this view. And then when you change the COA in here in the source file, then everybody will change. So in here you can see the source data. Let me switch to the table mode so you can see here. So this view, if you want to change this view, you can just edit the query, and then you can see the underlying data. This is my computer, and then this is the source file, and then you can just open the source file and then edit the CSV file. Okay, or you can just edit in here in the source in here, and then you download the file and replace the source, also the same thing. Okay, so that's how it works with the dynamic view of um, the dynamic view with the master formula here. We can do the monthly also. So if you want to change this view into monthly, you can just duplicate the whole thing here. Let me duplicate this one from here to here. And then for the monthly, I think you have to put the account inside the rows. So let us do in here first, and then you can drag the monthly in here. Sorry, full, and then you can have the same structure as well. Okay, so remember in the previous page we can have the filter in here in this page, but now we don't have the filter anymore, and everybody all the account in the COA comes out already, and then we have to do the same trick to drag the tags here, and then we check only the standard account to clean this view. Okay, so we can do the same thing with the region as well. So if you want to understand the measure for each region, you can just put the region in here. Okay, so the region on top. Now, if you want to break down each sale or COGS by region, you can do the same thing as well. So let me duplicate this one and then compare like for like the two. Page number 5. If you the same view, but then if you switch the region after the full here, which is the full name of the COA, then you have the breakdown of the sale for each region. So this one is about 2,000 for Bình Dương, and then Da Nang for 0.6. And then if you update the thing here from two something to one, and then everybody will be updated. Okay, so the template is very consistent. So you can see here two, and then in here also. So everybody will be updated accordingly. Okay, so that's the trick for using the COAs here, and then the master formula to make your dynamic view, or your elastic view. So this view is very elastic in the sense that you can replace any time frame here, like time month or quarter or year, and then in this direction you can replace anything like uh, cohort, and then regions, and then KPI as well, or KPI, or like accounts as well, and then it will work nicely. So the next thing you can see here in this view is that actually this view is even better. Is that the margin doesn't look like what we want. It's supposed to be 50% instead of like 0.5 like this. And then also the COGS, we want to put it in the brackets like the accounting standard, and then that's the only thing we need to fix in this video. Actually, I want to stop here, and then I will make another video for formatting as well.